Hi guys, happy Monday. Today I'm out taking a walk. And when I tell you it's windy out here, it is windy. This is my lunch hour. I'm just out here walking. It's a beautiful day regardless of what. It's still a beautiful day. I'm just getting my walk in. And today it's going to be a video day. We could do a live if you want to, a 30-minute live, but I'm like a 30-minute video. So I have two videos together. I have this video and a cooking video. I think the cooking video is like 7 minutes long. So like 20 minutes of this walking video. But like I say, it's a beautiful day out here. It's cloudy. But beside it's a beautiful day. And when I tell you that wind, anything that keep me motivated, and I love it because walking is something I love to do. Something I've been doing for a while. I think ever since I was like a little teenager, I just walk a lot. Walking along. Supposed to be like, I think they say like 50-some degrees, 56 degrees. If the wind wasn't blowing, and this wind is chilly, you know. I'm just gonna enjoy it. If I was to go live, that would have been kind of not a good video. I don't know how this video gonna turn out because of the wind. Just walking. I'm gonna do like with the lunch walkers. We gotta do about 5,000 steps, and that's something I do daily. So this like 2 miles. I'm saying, yeah, 2 miles around here. So I can do that in no time. I try to do 45 minutes a day. Even when I'm not on a challenge, I get steps in. I might not come out here and walk, but I do some kind of stuff like housework, light housework, you know, stuff like that. Just get out here and walk. I know one thing, we don't get much rain. If we do, we get over our head. Rain, it kind of just make you sleepy. But that hail have you scared. That hail is nothing to play with. Big balls. Surprised we haven't had another snow. I don't want to bring it up though. But I think we first got out so like in November. And we did. Just him walking. I just make this part of my routine daily. How y'all doing? Like I said, this is something that I do daily. Friday. How we doing? All right. And yesterday, man, that roasted smoky chicken was so good. My intention was to roast it. And then when it came out, I was like, I'm finna smother this. And I wanted to smother, got a little smothered chicken and smothered that baby. And you told me that was good eating yesterday. I was like, it's good. It's so good. They be minding your own business. They pass by, let them by. They want to walk by, be like, go ahead on, geese. I respect them. But it's not a cold day out here. It's kind of, it's warm and windy that kind of day. This wind is not playing. Y'all hear the geese. Smoky back. Right, I got riding all these pads back. Get here, it might just be, it might not be, but it's still see if I get a kite for him. I haven't flown a kite in a long time. The blue skies. Blue skies. Y'all heard that? I'm talking about. Besides, it's a beautiful day. I believe it because 80 miles, that's a lot of wind.
That's a hurricane.
That's hurricane. Oh, wow.
Started up hurricane.
Oh, okay. Yeah. Okay, thank you. I'm telling you. Up. I haven't been to the house yet. I just want to come back and get my walk before I do anything because late on the eve, I'm gonna be honest, I don't want to do nothing. I want to take me a shower, drink my tea, fix me some dinner, watch me a little YouTube. Sometimes I just fall asleep. And I keep my YouTube on. I'm on YouTube all the time, but I actually don't be on there. I just be like watching like these motivation and these sleep out at night. That's how I get my sleep on. I be watching those sleep apps, and some of them really be knocking me out. I wake up in the morning, they be still be on. I be like, wow. So that's why I be on YouTube. You see me on like 3 and 4 in the morning. 2, that means I'm on that motivation app, or I'm listening to some kind of sleep app to help me sleep. So that's why I be on there. And it really helps me. I just don't want to take no meds. Is okay, but I don't want to have that part of my life that I had to take medication to put me to sleep. I had tried it before, but I was like, no. Dogs we had people in Rockland, they didn't bark much unless, now if you come to like to my door or something, they'll just sit up and look, you know, and once you tell them it's okay, they'll just you know, sit back down. The little small dogs, some people just gotta go with. Second. yard right now, leaving I thought it was a mouse. Trap. Let's get a mouse. I'm gonna take it. I know I can't control you. Ain't nothing I can do about it. Just like about March, you never know what. Speaking March. Summertime. I love summer. I already know it's gonna be hot, sticky, dry here. I'm used to that. The water in spring, anyway, I'm talking about it give me extra steps. Wow. This man just pushing me. The weight. I don't know how it's gonna be tomorrow out here. Just living one day at a time. Hi, how you doing? Now, I like people when they have their dogs and they on leash, then they obedient to their owner. I seen a dog out here one time. He was just, I don't know who he belonged to. He was just all over the place. And out here, you got to have a leash on your dog. So I don't know if he was just somebody just dropped him off. Oh my goodness. On my jacket flapping like that. But I hope everyone is safe, you know, through that. I think they had a hurricane, a tornado. Which one was it? I want to see a tornado come through the south. Everybody's okay. say this is time of the year, March. Like I said, I don't know what to expect. I mean, my hood is black. Remind me of the flag when it be hanging up on the pole. When the wind be blowing. Guys, I'm ready to get off this ride. Video coming out. Ooh, look y'all. This wind is not playing. And after this, gonna be my last walk. And I gotta get back to what I was doing. Bye.